This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tammy Onusic, SRS, RENE. Enjoy 10+ acres of serenity with this well-maintained permanent foundation manufactured home. The home features a beautiful wrap-around porch and is surrounded by a canopy of trees for pure relaxation and privacy. Newer flooring has been installed along with light, inviting new paint color. The lot has been leveled in some areas to plant vegetables or flower gardens. Home is being sold as ISBuyer to verify square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact Tammy Onusic, SRS, RENE at 865-693-1111.